Hi everyone, it's Bryce at Allparts. Today, what we're going to be doing is installing this badass HT1 bridge to give this guitar some heavy-hitting hardtail tone.
To ensure proper access to our screw holes, we want to unscrew the saddles from 1, 3, and 5. Now we want to uninstall our old bridge. When placing the bridge, we want to reference our existing screw holes and string holes in order to ensure proper placement. Now we want to place back on the saddles that we removed at the beginning. Now is a great time to also place your shims. You can reference our shim guide on the product page of the HT1 to get you started. Just note that the placement may vary based on your personal preference. At this point, you can also roughly set your intonation. When stringing, you can load your strings through the body, or you can top load them. Angled recesses at the rear of the bridge elegantly conceal the ball ends of the strings when top loaded through the bridge.
Alright, that concludes our install for the badass HT1. If you have any further questions or would like to place an order, you can check it out at allparts.com. Make sure to let us know your thoughts down in the comments below, and be sure to stay tuned for future content featuring this badass HT1 heavy-hitting hardtail bridge.